Jai Gurudev students. So today we are going to start the chapter multiplication. So before entering to the chapter, I would like to say what is multiplication. Let's derive it. The word multi means many, onek. So from that word, the word multiplication comes, where we need to multiply an object or any amount. We need to multiply it and make it more than one, more than two as well. So at first we will see what is multiplication. So multiplication is nothing but a repeated addition. So how it is repeated addition? Suppose if we consider 3 into 5. 3 into 5 means you can say 15. But how it comes? 3 into 5 means 3 times 5. মানে 3 5 3 বার আসবে, 5 টা 3 বার আসবে, 3 times মানে 3 বার আসবে 5. So what will be this one? 5 plus 5 plus 5. So if we add 5 3 times, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So it will be 15. Like this way we can do another also, like 5 into 4. 5 into 4 equals to 20. Means 5 times 4. 5 বার 4 এসছে, বা আমরা কথাটা ঘুরিয়েও বলতে পারি, like 4 times 5 or 5 comes 4 times, মানে 5 আসছে 4 বার, 4 বার আসছে 5. এভাবে আমরা কথাটা ঘুরিয়ে বলতে পারি। তাহলে এটাকে কি বলা যেতে পারে? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 or 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. এখানে কি হয়েছে? 5 এসছে 4 বার, 5 comes 4 times, 1 2 1 2 3 4, 4 বার এসেছে। বা এখানে যেমন এসেছে 4 এসছে 5 বার, 1 2 3 4 5. তো রেজাল্ট কি হবে? 5 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 16 17 18 19 20. So 20. 4 plus 4 8, 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So it is 20. So the question may arise, if in this way we can do the math, we can solve any problem, so why should we go for multiplication? But my dears, see, these are all small multiplication, where you can easily, not easily, but you can at least do the sum, you can at least attempt the sum. But in case of through two or three digit numbers, like 535 multiplied by 5, what will you do? In fact, now you are in class 3 and your multiplication will be a little bit greater than the previous one. It will increase, like it may come like this way, 535 into 25. আগে থেকে এখন অনেক বেশি বাড়বে। আগে ছিল 5 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করো তবু এটা কিছু করা যেত, হয়তো কি করতে পারবো আমরা? 535 535 535 535 535. At least you can add this 5 times, but it also take time, right? It will also take time to finish a problem. That's why we are using the multiplication method, where we need to multiply it simply. How we can start our multiplication from here and we will move to the another one, and in this way we are coming up to the hundreds. In previous year you have done, I think you have completed up to 100, but this year maybe thousands may be introduced. In coming years, in class 4, you will face 4 digit or 5 digit numbers. So then what you will do? It may come like this way, 535 into 25, or it may come 5535 into 25. In that case, is it possible for us? আমরা কি পারবো যে এই 5535 টাকে এখানে 25 টাইমস খাতার মধ্যে লিখে তারপর অঙ্ক করতে? Two things are there. It will take more time and you will not have much time. And the number two is that the chances of mistakes will be increased. So that's why we are using the procedure called multiplication. We are using the method called multiplication. So we will move into the chapter, and we will revise the previous one, and after that we will slowly enter to the chapter. So at first I am starting with a simple multiplication from class 2. Suppose 23 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 46. It's from class 2. And after that, with the help of this maths, I am not taking from any book. It's randomly I have selected, and I am putting it here. Now, with the same thing, 23 into 5. Now we need to carry it over. 3 5s are 15. We will write the 5 here, and we will carry a 1 here. The 1 comes from the 15. We will put a 5 here, and 1 will be carried over here. So again we need to multiply this one. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So our answer will be 150. This one is from class 2 little bit, and now we will move to the multiplication which have place value of 100 at least. So we will start. এতক্ষণ আমরা টেন্স অবধি গেছি, এবার আমরা হান্ড্রেডস এ যাচ্ছি। সাপোজ 232, এটা আমি চেঞ্জ করে দিচ্ছি, 633 multiplied by 2. So 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 1266. So now we have written 633 equals to into 7. So we will do the multiplication. 3 7s are 21. Carry 2. From 21 we have written the 1, and 2 will be carried over to the next one. 3 7s are again 21. So we will add 21 with the 2, and it will come 23. So from 23 we will write the 3 here, and the 2 again will be carried over here. So 6 7s are 42. So we will add 42 with the 2. So 43 plus 44. So 4431. You need to practice how to write the answers also, because as we know that it carries mark. So how to do the carried over pattern? So we have learned also. Now we again are going to practice. Now I am going to show you how to do the multiplication with 10. How to multiply a number with 10. 10 এর সাথে কিভাবে আমরা মাল্টিপ্লাই করব, বা মাল্টিপলস অফ 10. How to multiply a number of multipliers of 10. I know that it's quite difficult to listen only, so I am showing you how to do this. Suppose I am giving you one example, 46 into 10, or 46 multiplied by 10. So what to do in this case? We need to do it in one step. If we are getting the opportunity, or the question setter has given us the 10, then we need to do it within one step. So how to do it? 46 into 1 equals to 46, and the 0 comes here. Finished. 460. If comes 46 into 100, then again the 0 will be placed here, 4600. And if 1000 given, then it will be like this. I know that this one is not included in your syllabus, but I am just telling for your knowledge. We will put a comma here, and like this way, if we place 000 after 6, it will be called 6000, or after 7 it will be called 7000. Like this way, we put 3 zeros after 46, then it will be 46,000. Now the question arises with the next one. What to do if multiples of 10 has been given? Suppose 46 into 50 they have given you. So what to do? See, 50 means what? 5 tens, or 5 into 10 equals to 50. We all know that. So we will follow the rule. 46 into 5 tens. So 46 into 5 equals to how much? 46 into 5. 5 6 are 30. Carry 3. 5 4s are 20 plus 3. 230. So 230. Tens will remain same. So after that 230 tens means 1010. So 2300. So this one will be the answer. Answer 2300. Finished. So now what to do next? Okay, fine. If you want, you can omit these words also. You can directly do like this way, but in books they have given you to follow this pattern, like 5 tens. You need to write the tens in words. But if you want, then you can do in this way also. Now the next is, if instead of 46 they have given you 60, so what will we do? See, here you can start from anywhere, or you can do like this way. You will follow the same procedure for these two sides only. 6 into 10 multiplied by 5 into 10. So 6 into 5 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. So 6 5s are 30, 1 20, 1020. So it will come 3000. So now the thing is that today I have shown you 2 to 3 types of maths. Maybe you need 2 to 3 days to come up to this much. Take your time, not an issue. But if you try, then within 1 day you can finish it also. But it depends upon you, up to how much you can take. So practice up to multiplication of 10. And after that we will move for the next one. That means the 3-digit number carried over, or without carrying the number. And after that we will learn the most important thing, new thing for you, the 2 steps. The 2 steps multiplication with 3-digit numbers. So till then, Jai Gurudev. Tomorrow we will meet again, and we will do the rest of the part. Jai Gurudev.